If you go to ryldigitalvault.com, that is a site that I was just testing and I liked it, so I kept it. All right. I want to show you the platform that I used to build that because let me tell you, whoo, the lid just blew off my head. It is called Lovable. Let me take you over to the Lovable site. Okay. All right. Here is Lovable. I'm here to tell you, set up an account. Don't hesitate. They have a freebie. So go ahead and test it out. What's so dope about this particular site is you don't have to know what the hell you're doing. Okay. You're just having a conversation. And let me show you just how easy it is. Oh, but before I show you, remember I said I was just testing things out, guys, and this was my test. The RYLdigitalvault.com site was my test. This was my first dry run, and I loved it so much that I put it up, and it's live, and I'm gonna keep it because I love it. Okay, but let me show you just how easy it is. When you go here, you see it's actually giving you some prompts. Let's say we're going to build a site. Let's build Airbnb. I never know if I do that right. Airbnb, is it like that? Airbnb type site for local rentals in the Seattle, Washington area. Let's just keep it that simple. That's super simple. That's one sentence. All right. So Lovable says that it's excited to help me build an Airbnb type platform. Let me create, and it's doing its thing. Here's the features of the first version. It's going to give me a home page. It's going to give me some property listings. It's going to have a clean, modern interface. Now, get it, because we gave it a template to work from, and I'm going to place emphasis on template because recently I just did a quick recording on the idea that you always have to be starting from scratch. And remember, I was telling you, everything starts with a template, a blueprint, a framework, something, right? Not from a blank page. We gave it a template to start from. We said, hey, we want it to be something like this. And so that's where it's starting. We're not starting from a blank page. We didn't say, we need it to be purple and blue, and we didn't tell it every word to put on the page. We gave it a framework to follow. All right. Now we're going to sit here. I'm not going to pause this. We are going to see just how long it's going to take to come back with our first version. We know it's still doing something because we see the little circle working there and it says working. While it's doing its thing, I'm just going to say there are no excuses these days, none whatsoever. You can play and have fun and come up with something to make money. Now look at this. Seattle stays. Find your perfect stay in Seattle. I want to say here is your navigation up here. At the top, there's your sign up, your login, there is your home. This is the home page. Okay. The copy is there. You didn't even have to write the copy. Okay. I will say it does look like Starbucks green. Okay. And we did say Seattle, so I'm not surprised. Okay. Here is some ideas. Now, I would have to look a little further to see, did they actually pull some current listings? Or are these sample listings? I don't know that just yet, but look at this. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Look at your footer. Now, I'm going to click up here because I just want to see what other page it gave us. Okay, modern downtown loft. Okay, so yeah, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Now, is it some work that we would put in, some integrations so that when people are signing up, when people are doing whatever they're doing, that you can track who's on your site, maybe have payment portals, things of that nature? Yes, of course. But look at how fast. That was less than 5 minutes. Okay. Want to come up with another idea? I'm going to take us back over to the dashboard. Let's create a website for middle schoolers. Let's create a math website for middle schoolers to practice geometry. I'm going to get very specific with what area of math. I pulled that out of I don't know what. What a wonderful idea. Huh. When you have no agenda, sometimes that's when you come to the computer, because for all I know, that could have been a perfect idea. It could be something that is so needed. It could be, I don't know. But here's the thing. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to be creative, to brainstorm. Don't think that you have to spend hours at the computer. That's what I'm trying to show you. If you want to get something that's beneficial out to the marketplace, to a specific audience, that because you know there's a need, there is no excuse as to why you cannot do that. Look at how fast we are creating websites. Okay, now I will have a link in my bio. It will be a link somewhere in the description subject. It will be a link to this platform. Use my link. It's a small affiliate link. You'll see for yourself. Their affiliate program, it's not going to make you rich, okay? It's probably going to give me $2. It's not even going to buy me this Starbucks, okay? But but I would appreciate it if you use my link just the same. It's just another way that I know that that you found out about it, through my video, through my channel. Okay. Alrighty. So look at this geometry fun. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Shapes, practice, and progress. It even can kick out progress and achievements. Guys, I just randomly came up with two ideas that couldn't be further apart. Be creative. And then when you create your site, please come back to my channel. Let me know what you created, okay? I will help you promote it. I will put links in my social media as well. Let's cross promote each other and let's build. Okay, I'm excited about this because again, I was just playing around and I used, let me go ahead and show you another one that I created. Okay, I showed you ryldigitalvault.com, but I also created the AI prompt guide, okay, powered by no other than RYL Digital Vault. Alrighty, so head over to the AI prompt guide powered by the Digital Vault, and I created the blueprint.ryl Digital Vault. Oop, I don't know why I got that arrow. I don't know. I'll check that out. Okay, so here it is, the RYL Blueprint Builder. All right, guys, let's do this. Alrighty. Listen, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Let me know that you're here. We're all about location independence. We're all about building digital business so that you can live globally. Okay, if that is your goal, then you're in the right place. Okay, and I would love to have you join the channel. And again, if you go to Lovable, use the link that's going to be in the description here, and then come back here and let me know what you built so that I can help you promote it. Ciao.